Hi guys, and welcome to the Sitting Pretties YouTube channel. I'm Amelia Webb and I have created this really fun date night hair and makeup look. So I have done a hair tutorial and a makeup tutorial for you guys to check out. So please keep on watching and I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Mix two different shades of foundation. So I'm going in with the Born This Way and the NARS Sheer Glow, and I'm just going to pop that on with a little buffing brush all over my skin. Once the foundation is on, I've just added a little bit of my brow pencil. I'm just gonna now brush those brows up because I like the bushy brows at the moment. I just think that they look so much more natural and so much more, I think, just nicer being a little bit bushier than like really defined. I'm going to do a really subtle smoky eye, and I'm actually going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm just going to pick up this shade here and just use that in my transition color. Just adding a shade, like a terracotta brownie shade to the lid, just because I think that will tie in with my lip color really well. Now for some blush, we're going to use the Stila, and it's actually a cream blush, so we're going to pop that on the skin. Of course, we need some highlighters, so we're going to go in with the Urban Decay, and I'm just going to use a buffing brush. I wanted to do a red lip for this look, so we are going in with a red lip. For the fun part, adding in the halo, which is the thick halo. I get a lot of questions about this one. When you actually receive it, it is always best to wash it first because it actually gets a lot thicker once you wash the halo. So I've actually just washed this, and I've also just curled this while it's been on the coat hanger. So it's a little bit hard to show you guys now because I can't actually prop it on something, but what I've done is I've literally just hung it up and then I've curled the halo. It also obviously comes here with the string. So this is for reshaping. So everyone's head shape is really different. So what you can actually do, I'll take it off and I'll show you. It's got these little different sizes through here. So what you can do is you can take the wire, you can thread it through, and you can put it on the size that is your head shape size. So I've just popped that on, ready, and I'm going to pop it around. And place it on my head. As you can see, it just sits just nicely just right underneath that bone there. And then I just pull my hair out. A lot of you guys asking me, especially since I've cut my hair short, does it still blend? Yes, it definitely still blends. I've done a few little videos on blending the short halo with the long one. So when it's really short like this, I don't take as much hair out from the top. So I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit. And then just get my Tangle Teaser and just brush that out. I'm just going to take these earrings out because it's going to be quite difficult to show you the next bit. But as you can see all my hair underneath here. I tie that bit of hair down here in a ponytail underneath. So I'm just going to grab all that, and I literally do it in like a really tight ponytail just at the back which is covered by the halo hair. So all that hair has been tied back. So now you can't see it. So what I've done now is I've literally just got my part and I put it to the side because I'm gonna pop in some clips. So I'm having an obsession with clips at the moment, as you guys know. So I'm gonna pop them in this side here. And I think I'm gonna do 2. So I'm just gonna pop that one in. And then I'm just gonna pop another one in here as well. So these ones are actually from Coco May. Feel like that just adds a really nice bit of difference. I do tend to go back over again if I find that I need to blend my hair in with the halo. So I just get my wand and I literally will blend that back in. And then kind of like zhuzh it out. And that there, guys, is the finished hair and makeup look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial and get ready with me for my date night. So please like and subscribe to the Sitting Pretties YouTube channel because they bring you some really awesome tutorials. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this one. I have absolutely loved this look. So thank you for watching. Bye.